Hey, what's up, loves? It's your girl, MissRessaT, and we're back with another plus size video. What's up, my loves? I hope you all are doing well and enjoying yourselves in this holiday season. I'm definitely trying to push on through. Hope you're doing the same. Excuse a little Christmas background right here, this is for the job. But it goes cute in the video. So anyways, I'm not going to hold you guys long because I have, y'all, a huge bag of stuff from Dress Lily. Shout out to Dress Lily for connecting with your girl. They reached out to me to do to pick some products from, so I got to pick a lot of stuff. So fingers crossed, everything kind of goes well. We'll see. But if you're interested in seeing what I got as a plus size woman from Dress Lily, just stay tuned. All right, before we get started, you guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it so much. Let you guys know the Dress Lily was so nice to give us a 20% off discount. So I will have that on the screen for you and also in the description box. So if you like any of the things that you see that I have on today, the clothes or the accessories, definitely go shop Dress Lily. Use that code, 20% off. And yeah. All right, so we're going to get started with the pants. I did not choose many things that had bottoms because I just was not confident in them being able to fit me. This is a Chinese-based company, so that is something you very much have to be aware of in regards to your sizes. You need to go 2 sizes up, sometimes 3, 4 sizes up if it's possible. All right, so these pants here are size 5X. They're in all black. Now these, all the products that I got, like on the bag, say Rose Gal, so I'm assuming that's their affiliate sister company here. This is how the pants look. They do have a little scratch to them, with a little distress on the knee. I've been trying to find some cute distress pants, and they have distress on the buttocks. I'm showing you this just in case they do not fit, okay? So on the pockets they have a little distress too. So let's see, y'all. Why I got these pants on? I'm too shocked. When I was putting them on, I was like, okay, we made it past Fashion Nova, because these are awesome denim material here. So I did not, oh, it's 2 buttons, excuse me. There we go. So I was like, but it had a little scratch. And here we go, you guys. I definitely need a belt for the back because I got a high run. But oh my God, I'm so excited. I got some black distressed pants. Oh my gosh. I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can see floor length, because I can't figure out that right now to be able to get y'all that view. I'm working on it, you guys. Continue to support me. Continue to push me so I can get y'all more of these plus size fashion videos, and then we can get better at doing them for you. But oh my gosh, they come down to my ankle. A little over my ankle, actually. I'm short. And they're skinny leg at the bottom. Can you tell I'm excited? So that is these pants, guys. Once again, these are the black pants in 5X. All the links to everything will be in the description box, okay, you guys? All right, guys, I decided to leave the pants on for the next couple of outfits because there are tops here. So this is this shirt here. I have the information on the screen. This is in the color Red Wine 5X. So as you can see, this definitely fits. I thought this was unique and different. It's not too tight on the arms. I can definitely move them. The shirt is actually almost too big. Like, I think I would size down if I was to get this again. But this is the cutest, like, Christmas sweater. I would still take Christmas pictures in this. It has a little high-low effect here, so it's a little longer in the back. It looks like it's longer in the back. Got a little tail than the front. Like I said, if this was like 1 size smaller, I think this would be perfect for me, because it would accentuate me a little bit more. Right now, it's a little big, but this is mad cute. Like, this is just decorations. This is not functional buttons. But yeah, this is this top here. All right, guys, this is the next top. Oh, I'm going to lose my light because it's white. All right, this next top here, you guys, this is Also a size, this is size 4X in Gray Cloud. I really love this. This is kind of like more my style in regards to casual but cute. I will say the sleeves are a little big for me. I can definitely just roll those up. So I'm not mad at that at all. This material feels so good. So did that other sweater, you guys. The fabric is not thin. And I expect them to be, I ain't gonna lie, I expected it to be thin, but it is not. This is very cute. Very much, like I said, me. Because this takes being casual. Have a casual, cute little sweatshirt. And then put this lace detail on the front just to make it just a little more cuter. Just a little more cuter. Excuse the lighting, y'all. It changed when it hit the white. So just in case you can't see it. But yeah, I really like how this fits. This is my fave so far. Well, the pants are my fave because they went up, okay? And they cute. And they comfortable. But yeah, I really like this top. Alright guys, here is the next top here. This is in a size 5X. This is offered in their color gray. All of this part, this feels so good. This material is like a fleece material. And oh my gosh. This was really cute in thought. But I don't know. It's not, I'm not comfortable at all. So maybe if I pull it up some. This is a little tight right here on my arms. It's definitely a little tight. I love the little lace details. Like I said, this takes a regular t-shirt to a little more cuter level. I don't know, because when I push this up, it makes this little space here. So I don't think it looks bad, but it's definitely awkward in feeling. I'm pretty sure I'm wearing it right. There's really no other way to wear it, I'm pretty sure. So it's definitely cute. If you knew how to rock it and wear it, you can definitely make this into a very cute outfit. This material feels so freaking good. But yeah, I definitely think this is, I love my shoulder out. I love things with low shoulders. This is kind of like a lot of the arm out. It is a lot of the arm out. So I guess it all pretty much determines on your taste. But as far as fit and everything, this is pretty good. You know, except for, like I said, around here on the arms part, it is a little tight, but nothing overbearing. So that is the shirt. All right, you guys, this next top is super duper cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, I don't want to take this one off. There's no information on this bag, so I will put it on the screen. And once again, all the links to these products will be on in the description box. This feels so good. I will say this is the tightest one, so I have to see what size it is. But the arms around this is tighter. But baby, it is so cute. Ain't nobody care. Ain't nobody care. And it says love across the chest. This is adorable, y'all. This is so comfortable. I can't believe these materials are not paper thin. I am so shocked. I am just so shocked. Ooh. I'm feeling this one. That's this outfit, y'all. Alright guys, here's the next top here. I think it's a top. I'm not sure if it's a top or a dress. I was like, let me leave the pants on because I'm not sure. Again, a little big on the arms for me. I believe I got this in the biggest size, so that may be the reason why. Army green. This is in a 4X. So, normally my shirt's about a 3X, but I have gotten bigger. So, a 3X I've been exploring is a 4X with tops and bottoms lately. So yeah, this is, of course, what attracted me to this was the hood. If you don't know me, I love hoods. So that's that, even though that covers my whole entire face. Let's see. I think when I first put this on, let me zipper my pants back, y'all. Because I was taking the pants off and I was like, wait a minute. I think this is not a dress. I think this is a top. So I think you can definitely finesse this. I love this color. I love this color. So if you just bunch it up and take some of this fabric, make it a little slouchy situation, I think we can rock with this. Has little two screens. Oh, they are functional, so do not pull them. So yeah, I think we jack this up a little bit, take away some of this fabric. This could be good, maybe tied in a knot or something like that. This can be cute. But that is this top, you guys. Alright, guys. I try to bring the camera down a little more for you guys so you can see this. This is the next outfit here. As you can see, it's this flowery dress. Really cute and flirty. It does have a zipper on the side, which as you can see, I do not have zippered. I actually think that I could zipper this and it would fit, but I don't want to get in it with the zipper, and I don't have anybody to help me zipper it. It's one of these, it's not one I can hook something in to try to zipper it myself. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. If it fits or not. If you see it in an upcoming closet sale, that means I could not get it zipped, because I do think it's cute. I'm not a big flowery person, but I love little flowy dresses. I try to go down some more so you can see the bottom. It has this little asymmetrical split here, so it makes it real flowy, real cute. You guys know I love to go on cruises to nice warm places, so this would be good. It does have this belt around it, and it has loops for the belt to go in. I just don't have it on. The belt will really help. I don't normally like to wear the belts with dresses, but as far as like things, like if you need to give yourself a shape, like my big girls, please give yourself a shape. If you are not given, you know, the Coke bottle frame, or, you know, the hips to spread out to make the dress, that's when these accessories come in. You can use the belts that come with the outfits, or if you have something else that you want to pair with that type of belt. But I do think that you can definitely do things to make yourself, give you a little shape, to not look so boxy. So clothes like this don't look so grandma-ish. And when you suck it in, baby, yes, okay? So that is this dress. Take a sit in right chair. I want it right chair. Hey. Right chair. Oh, night chair. This is cute. All right, guys, this is the final outfit from Dress Lily. I do say I have some other things to show you, some accessories, but this is the final outfit. And yes, now I did have to do some work to make this work for me. I had to, when you first put it on, it has, y'all know they have these little bands here that's supposed to go where your boobs go under. Now if I put that all the way down, then that is a lot of boob exposure for me. That is not my comfort level. So I would just put that up a little bit. But baby, hey, I am feeling myself in this dress. I love long dresses. And this is all the way floor length for me. This nice flowy. Fabric feels great. Nice feeling of polyester. Has a nice stretch to it. If you want, of course, you can always wear a camisole or put a pin here for the breast area. The sleeves are not too bad at all. A lot of these dresses, especially this material, the sleeves can be a little tight. This is a little tight, just a little though. Like I can move very well. Yes, pick. Loving this dress. All right, guys, the next things I got are some accessories. Look at these cute rings. I love midi rings. You probably have seen me with these type of rings before in pictures. I needed some gold ones, and these were perfect. Absolutely fit my little plus size fingers. So many different varieties. You can organize these how you want for your hand, but I absolutely love these. Too cute. All right, the next accessory, it's actually a package. So these are the hoops that came out of it. So these are gold hoops, and the whole thing looks like this. So it comes with some flowers, which are really cute, some hearts, some pearls, and then these cute dangly ones. So you know tassels are the thing right now. So some gold tassels, and then you also have the chain gold tassels. So a very cute set, very cute. All right, this next piece is a choker. I don't remember picking this out, but it may have came in the package with some other rings that I bought, but I don't know because they're silver. So I'm not sure why this would have came together. So I definitely have to look at that for you. And of course, click the link in the description box if you're interested. I'm not a choker person. I do not like things around my throat. Not tied up on my throat like that. And this would fit, and putting this just on like this, it can get in the last notch to fit on my neck. So if that's something that you like and you're interested in, then there you go. All right, so I got another set of rings in the silver. I really wanted this ring right here. I really wanted it for this finger, but as you can see, it's definitely not going to fit on that finger there at all. But here are some of the other designs. Focus, there we go. And then this one is adjustable, so I could make that wider to fit on that finger. And I'm sorry, there you go. So just more of these mini rings. I really like these. I think this goes with my style. Like I said, I'm very casual chic. So if I can get a laid back outfit, put a cute accessory ring with it, something a little more dressy. I think this is so adorable. That's something about that shape really speaks to me. So yeah, I think those really can make an outfit, and it's something really cheap that you can pick up that can really take your outfit to another level. So the last couple of things I have, you guys, I know this video is long, but a huge shout out to Dress Lily for all of this, all these products. I truly appreciated the opportunity to work with you guys, and I hope you guys check them out. So I got a couple of hats. Now I will say this hat definitely came very bent up and balled up and everything else. But as you can see, it is a black wide brim hat. I was like, oh, I have to get this. I feel like every woman needs one of this. Now the belt, and looking at it on the camera, the belt definitely does not look the same color as the hat. It looks brownish. In person, it looks a little more blackish. Maybe blackish, brownish, I don't know. So let's see. And it has little buckle details. So it's really cute. Now can it fit on my head? Don't know. Do I have it right? Okay, let's sit it more on the top of my head. I don't know. I think because it's bent up, like it's supposed to have a dent here, but it's too indent. That is not quite giving me life. I kind of look like a witch. But I feel like maybe if I rock it with the right outfit, put it forward a little bit, this can be cute. But that is this. And my very last product, I definitely... y'all, I had to get something in purple, and this hat was too cute to pass up. How freaking adorable is this hat, y'all? Like, that is so cute. So freaking cute. Oh, my head big. I still had the paper in there, too. I don't care if this don't fit. I'm keeping it. My locks are getting so long and thick. Move over. But it does have adjustable in the back, which I have it all the way on the closed one, so I know this fits. Matter of fact, let's just get right, okay? Let's just get right on my big head. Yes, this will be, oh my gosh, this will make an outfit. I cannot wait to rock this. Oh, that has made my day, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. This haul has definitely, I'm shocked. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I'm shocked. Shout out to Dress Lily. I truly appreciate it and the opportunity to work with you guys. Don't forget about the 20% off code, discount code you guys will have on the screen here somewhere. These clothes are already, all these items are already very reasonably priced. Shipping, in regards to shipping, I will look on the website to see what information they said. I will say that my shipping took a little long because I was waiting. I had one more item that was on my list that they was waiting to see if they can get back in stock, but unfortunately didn't. So that held up my shipping. So I can't give you guys a realistic shipping experience. So I will include whatever they have on the website. I'll include it here on the screen. Like I said, don't forget to use the 20% off code. Definitely shop with Dress Lily, you guys. It can be a shocker. Do not let... I watched a lot of hauls, plus size hauls from them, and I was like... But I am very thoroughly shocked. And like I said, shopping 2 sizes up definitely helped in making sure I had things that fit for me. And yeah, that's it for your girl. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Y'all hear the dog? Neighbors got a new dog. I love dogs, but not when they're doing all that. Anyways, you guys, subscribe to this channel. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe, thumbs up. Subscribe, thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And that is it for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches.